So, remember when CMF quietly dropped their first phone and everyone went, "Wait, nothing has a budget brand now?" Well, fasten your seatbelts, because CMF Phone 2 is stirring up some serious buzz, and this time, it's aiming straight for your camera roll. Yep, we're talking about a mid-range device that's apparently obsessed with the perfect shot. Sounds dramatic? It kind of is, and we're here for it. Let's start with what we do know. Nothing, the company behind CMF, just teased 4 new products using Pokemon-style code names. Catchy, right? But among those teasers, one stood out, the first real hint at CMF Phone 2. It came with the tagline, "In search of the perfect shot." Translation: Big camera upgrade incoming. Now, the original CMF phone had a decent setup, but it wasn't exactly blowing minds. This time, though, it looks like they're putting photography front and center. Flipkart already has a teaser page up using the same camera focus line. Plus, we got a sneak peek at a new finish described as textured, tactile, different. Goodbye vegan leather, maybe hello glass or even metal. That would be a major step up in both feel and durability. Imagine holding something that doesn't feel like a fancy lunchbox. Here's where things get juicy. The teaser shows a single rear camera. Yep, just one. But don't let that fool you. Leaks hint at a possible triple camera setup hidden under the hood. Classic nothing move. They love messing with expectations. Remember the glyph lights on the Phone 1? Exactly. The CMF Phone 2 is also expected to keep its swappable back covers and screw mounts for accessories, which, let's be honest, is perfect for people who treat their phone like a fashion statement. As for the screen, rumors suggest a 6.3-inch display. Not huge, not tiny. Just enough for TikTok scrolling and the occasional panic when you drop it face down. And while we hoped for a Snapdragon chip this time, it looks like MediaTek's Dimensity 7400 might power this device. It's the same one we just saw in the Motorola Edge 60 Fusion. Not bad performance-wise, but yeah, some of us were rooting for Team Qualcomm. As for launch, all signs point to later this April. And CMF isn't stopping at just one product. They're also expected to drop new TWS earbuds, a smartwatch, and possibly a neckband. It's like a mini ecosystem on a budget. So, CMF Phone 2 is shaping up to be a budget banger with a bold new focus on camera performance, better materials, and a potentially clever design twist. If they can keep the price low again, this could be a solid mid-range champ. Hit that subscribe button if you don't want to miss the full launch breakdown when it drops. Catch you in the next one.